Hello guys, welcome to AIT Tech. This is Nandavardhan Reddy from IIRE IT first year. Today's subject is English about subject verb agreement. Let's see our some rules of subject verb agreement. First rule: subject and verb must agree in number. Singular subject equal to singular verb. Plural subject equal to plural verb. Cow is singular, eats is singular, ducks is plural, quack is a plural, hint SPS. Singular verbs have an S, singular S, the verb has an S, singular no, the S has to go. Next, don't get confused by the words that come between the subject and verb. The detective who was called to the case is usually very good. Okay. Next, third one. Three prepositional phrases between the subject and verb usually do not affect the agreement. The biker in this race is very competitive. The bikers in this race are very competitive. See, here prepositional phrases between the subject and verb usually do not affect the agreement. See, you can see here. Next, fourth. If a sentence starts with there or here, the subject will always be placed after the verb. See here, there is a meeting today. See, subject is always be placed after the verb. Verb. Okay. Here are the results from this past months. Here, sentence which starts with there or here, the subject will always be placed after the verb. You can see here, the subject is always placed after the verb. Next, fifth one. Subjects can come after the verb in questions. Does Betty always play with the dolls? Does Betty always play with the dogs? Here we see that subjects comes after the verb in questions. How are the Bosco sticks today? Here in these two examples, we see that subjects comes after the verb in these questions. Next, if two subjects are joined by the and by typically require a plural verb, the puppy and the lady are friends. See here, if two subjects are joined, the lady and puppy are joined by and, that typically requires a plural verb or is a plural verb. Okay. Next, seventh one. If two subjects are separated by and, refer to the same thing, and the verb is singular. Spaghetti and meatballs is my favorite pasta dish. See here, two subjects are separated by and refer the same thing. Pasta dish is the same thing. The verb is to be singular is. Okay. Next statement. If both subjects and singular are connected by or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, and not only but also, the verb is singular. Sally or Bubba has stolen the scarecrow. Scarecrow. Sally or Bubba has stolen the scarecrow. Not only the guitar player but also the drummer was soaked with sweat. Okay. Next, ninth one. If both subjects are plural and connected by the words are nor, neither, nor, either, or, not only but also, the verb is plural. Cookies or brownies are nice treat for your teacher. Cookies or brownies are nice treat for your teacher. You see, here we are using plural verb. Next, tenth one. If one subject is singular and one plural and are connected by the words or neither, neither nor, either or, and not only but also, use the subject that is nearest the verb. Either my sister or my mom has sent me a present. Not only Bob but also Smith wants some hamburgers for supper. Okay. Units of measurements usually use a singular verb. 6 gallons of paint was used on the hose. $5 is too much for a cup of coffee. 12th one. Collective nouns usually take a singular verb. The herd is stamping. The herd is stamping. The class was ready for the test. The class was ready for the test. Titles of books, movies, novels, etc. are treated as singular. Holes was one of my favorite books. I want to see the movie. Two infinitives separated by and take a plural verb. To run and to read are my two favorite free time activities. To run and to read are my two free time activities. Here, pronouns alone take a singular verb. Gerunds linked by and take a plural verb. Dancing is not something everyone can do as well as I can. Dancing is not something everyone can do as well as I can. Okay, next 16 one. The words each, every, or no come after or before the subject. The verb is singular. Each boy and girl has to take the test. Every frog and toad turns into princess. No paper and pen is required, but an apple would be nice. Next 17th one. Most indefinite pronouns take singular verbs. One, someone, anyone, no one, everyone. Buddy. Somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. Things, something, anything, nothing, everything. Little one, another, neither, much, either, each. Everybody is happy. No one has a dime. Nothing was going to help. Next, 18th one. Both, few, many, others, and several takes a plural verb. Several needs to finish the race. If you have the right answer. When the subject is all, any, more, most, none, or some. This is the only time you must look at the object of the prepositional phrase to determine whether it is singular or plural. All of these chickens have laid eggs. Some of milk has spilled. Okay, these are two examples for this. Next one. Final rule is remember only the subject affects the verbs. Okay, only the subject affects the verb. Thank you.